Hey everyone! If you're facing the Limbus company resource download loop error, where the game keeps downloading resources repeatedly, gets stuck at a certain percentage, or asks you to download the same files again and again, follow these steps one by one to fix the issue. Recent updates have caused resource download problems for some players on both PC and mobile. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your router if you're using Wi-Fi. Avoid unstable or slow connections during resource downloads. Step 2. Free up storage space. Make sure you have at least 10 to 15 gigabytes of free storage. Delete unnecessary files or apps. Resource downloads may fail if storage becomes too low. Community reports have linked some download issues to storage problems. Step 3. Clear game cache. Android. Settings. Apps. Limbus company. Storage and cache. Tap Clear cache. Restart the game. Step 4. Check for game updates. Open Steam, Google Play Store, or App Store. Make sure the latest update is installed. Some download loop bugs were caused by update side issues that were later fixed by Project Moon. Step 5. Wait on stuck percentages. If the resource download appears frozen, wait several minutes. Some users reported the progress bar stops updating even though files are still downloading in the background. Step 6. Restart the game. Completely close Limbus company. Remove it from recent apps mobile or end the task in Task Manager PC. Launch the game again and check if the download continues normally. Step 7. Reinstall the game. If nothing works, uninstall Limbus company. Restart your device. Download the game again from the official store. Let all resources finish downloading before opening other apps. That's it. Follow these steps carefully and your Limbus company resource download loop error should be fixed. If you're still having problems after trying all the solutions, leave a comment with your device model and the exact error message and I'll try to help with another fix.